Welcome to this showcase.
You probably remember those devices from our last showcase. Now, if you have a look at the NEDI database, you can see how everything is organized internally. For example, all the modules are residing in this table. I can look at it in System Export directly. Or, for example, the devices themselves would be in the devices table. Now, this is nice and all, but it only allows you really to keep one set of data or one network in your database. If you have a look at System Snapshot, we can create a new snapshot save whatever we have right now, so to speak. And as you can see, we have a new snapshot called Showcase 1. In addition, if I want to add another set of data, I can simply import a database. And this one can actually be downloaded on the NEDI homepage. And we're going to import this database now. Going back to snapshots, we can see that the Showcase database we created before contains 8 devices. The one we just imported contains 14. If you go back to devices list, we noticed all those devices here are the new ones that we didn't see before. Going back to snapshot, I can activate the Showcase snapshot and notice this X here, which allows you to delete a snapshot, will actually disappear because you cannot delete an active snapshot, nor can you delete the actual core NEDI database. Nevertheless, if you go to the device list again, and please note that the icon changed, indicating that you're actually inside a snapshot now, I'm going to see my old devices again. So this really lets you either take a snapshot of a certain point in time of your network, or import networks from other NEDI instances and play with them just like that. And then you can, of course it's all offline, but then you can go into device status, check out what the device did look like. And again, you can download all this information and play with it and even draw maps and stuff without ever having access to this particular network. Now, in case you just want to export a database for use in another NEDI instance, you can go to System Export, select Dump Tables, select all the tables you wish to export. Usually the wireless LAN samples are not that interesting, so you don't need to include that in this selection. If you select gzip as your destination, the tar file will be compressed, but the browser can decompress it again upon download. So on certain browsers you may have to disable automatic uncompression of certain files, and for Safari, for example, this would be unclicking this option here, and then you should be able to download those archives without problems. In case you did navigate away from System Export, the admin dump you created is still accessible in System Files in the log directory, and you can still save the file to your desktop, for example.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye now.